Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll calculate slope of a line segment. As per the problem, calculate the slope of line segment joining the points 3 over 2, 1 over 3 and 1 over 2, 2 over 3. In this problem, we are given that these two given points lie on the line segment and we have to use these points to calculate the slope of the line segment. We can use the slope formula to calculate the slope. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this formula, x1, x2 and y1, y2 are coordinates of 2 points that lie on the line segment. We are given 2 points that lie on the line segment. We can label one of them as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. We can label either of these 2 points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. The final answer will be the same. We can sub in these values in the slope formula. y2 is 2 over 3, y1 is 1 over 3, x2 is 1 over 2, x1 is 3 over 2. Next, we can evaluate this expression. In the numerator, we should subtract the fractions 2 over 3 and 1 over 3. These fractions have the same denominator. I get 1 over 3. In the denominator, we have to subtract 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. They have the same denominator, so we should do 1 minus 3, which is equal to negative 2. So I get negative 2 over 2. Next, we can reduce the fraction in the denominator. Negative 2 over 2 is equal to negative 1. Next, we can write this expression as a division statement. Next, we should change this division statement into a multiplication statement. The denominator of negative 1 is 1. We can write it as a multiplication statement by flipping the fraction negative 1 over 1 to 1 over negative 1. Now we can multiply the fractions. We should multiply the top terms and the bottom terms. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Next, we can move the negative sign to the front of the fraction. This is the slope of the line segment joining the two given points. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.